the top, these lock, flop, yeah. Records whipping, yeah, shit. Nike ones hit 'em with the 10.
In today's video is going to be a productive day in my life. I just got ready and I did not film it. I look like the sunlight is just really bad. I'm gonna go to either Starbucks or this place called Donut Delight. I don't really feel a coffee this morning. I'm feeling more of like a lemonade. That's why I was thinking Starbucks. And I wanted to take a trip to Target. I forgot what exactly I needed from there, but I did write down like a list of things that I wanted to do today, you know, to feel productive and like actually do something on my day off, because I've been trying to film a week in my life and none of that footage has made the cut. I just deleted like more than half the video, so I'm starting over and I'm doing just a day in my life. I'm gonna try to make it way more interesting than the past one, because at that point I didn't even have a car, so I didn't really go anywhere. If you guys check out my last video that's on my channel, it's called A Productive Day in My Life. It's a vlog, but I wrote down a list of things that I kind of wanted to get done today, just like some ideas of things that I wanted to do. So the first thing on my list is laundry, then to clean out my car, maybe go to the car wash. I got gas yesterday, so I guess that's kind of like a check. And my nails are so horrible. I need to get my nails done, but that's probably gonna happen next week. So I wrote down either going to Starbucks or Donut Delight. Oh yeah, I wanted to go to Target to get a new pillow, maybe a new comforter, but I might just keep my comforter for now. I'm just gonna wash it and just get new pillows, because the ones that are on my bed, they're all smushed and they look crazy, and I just need another set of pillows. And then I wanted to clean my room as well. I'm saving that for last because it might take me the rest of the day, and once I start cleaning, I'm not gonna want to go back out. At some point I'm gonna get food during this trip if I end up like doing everything on the list. The most important thing that I want to do is my laundry. I just got in the car. I'm about to drive to the laundromat. I'm actually gonna go to the one that's up the street from me instead of the one in my building, because I would have to take cash out, which would charge me more to take cash out, which is the same price as the, I don't know if this makes sense, but like if they're charging me to take cash out the ATM, it's gonna charge me the same amount as the other laundry. Remember how I said it was like more expensive? It's like probably like a quarter more. It's literally like a 2-minute drive from me. Okay, so I just got back from the laundry. My stuff is gonna take like 28 minutes. I put one load in first, and the one that I picked was so tiny, and it fit like majority of my stuff because it was just a bunch of little stuff that I had to put in. But then I had a towel, a hoodie, and then a sheet, so I just put those in a separate washer because they're so small, so it fit perfectly anyway. Okay, so my laundry should be done by now. It's 11:10, so I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna go put them in the dryer, and then it's gonna dry for an hour, and I might go get something to eat during that time. If not, I'm gonna be sitting right here in the parking lot because it gets very full quickly and it's hard to come in and out. So I might just stay here for the whole hour. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I know I'm hungry, so I'm gonna hurry up because I know my clothes are already done. They been done and I just haven't got them yet. So I'm about to go get them right now. And then I'm gonna come back. Right now I'm gonna go to this place called Donut Delight. And I'm gonna get a strawberry lemonade. I don't know, I'm kind of feeling Starbucks, but like they be expensive. But when I think about it, like the price is literally the same. So a strawberry refresher is actually very good from Starbucks. So I think I might get Starbucks. It's right across the street from the Donut Delight. My Carmex fell on the floor and my lips are so dry.
Just stopping by Starbucks. We're gonna get started for you.
Hi, can I get a venti strawberry refresher with lemonade?
A venti strawberry acai with lemonade.
Yep.
Anything else?
Do you guys have the blueberry muffin?
Blueberry muffins?
Yeah, can I get that? Can I get that warmed up, please?
Just one, right?
Yeah.
Anything else?
That's it.
Okay, your total is $7.94.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi.
Your total is $7.94. Bingo.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so as you guys seen, I just got some Starbucks. That was $7. I got a venti strawberry refresher with lemonade. They made this way too quick. Like, it's probably not even really warmed up. I get the blueberry muffin and I get it warmed because it tastes better that way. I'm gonna have to vacuum my seats again. Okay, I ate like more than half of that muffin. I'm gonna go get some groceries. Okay guys, so right now I'm driving to the grocery store. I'm pretty sure I told you guys when I was leaving the laundromat. I'm actually almost here. It's like right around the corner. Now I have to pee. But I'm about to pull in right now. I don't even like this specific store, but I don't want to go to my job because I don't want to see anybody that I work with. My phone screen looks broken. I don't even know if I should. I could try to turn it off and turn it back on, but it looks crazy. And I have a screen protector on. I don't know what happened. I unplugged it from the car and then it just looks like this.
Only pills I be tweaking them froze. Honey took straight off his nose. Neighbor, baby, be screaming, I slack. Spinning, checking, I'm getting it back. Every 2 weeks, she gon' get her away.
Alright guys, so I just got back home. If you're confused as to why I have on a different shirt, when I went to go get, when I went to the grocery store, I went inside and I was so cold. And my shirt, like I have on a bralette so you can see my nipples, so I was like, let me go back and change. I was gonna put on a hoodie, but all I had was this hot pink hoodie and I have on green sweats, so it didn't really match. So I threw this shirt on top of it, so I still have the white shirt on. Like, it's not the next day, it's the same day. But I'm out of breath from all that talking. Okay, so like I was saying, I'm gonna try to hurry up and put these clothes away, and then I'm gonna clean off my bed clean out my window. I'm feeling very lazy, like I just want to sit down and like relax, but we're trying to be productive here. I checked off everything that I've done so far. I don't know if I'm gonna go to the car wash. I'm probably just gonna try to clean out my car if I get the chance. Okay, so I just folded all of my shirts and pants that I needed to wash, and this is just my towel and my bed sheet that I need to put on, and I put all my other stuff away inside of my ottoman chair. Right now I'm about to just put this stuff in the closet, probably not even hang it up because I don't want to. I don't feel like it, so we're not gonna do it. We're just gonna put it in the closet, you know, and straighten up the room. My camera battery is dying and I don't know where the other battery is, so I'm going to put this one on the charger and then come back to you guys. All right guys, it is nighttime, as you guys can see, and I didn't end up doing anything besides making my bed and putting my clothes away from doing my laundry. But I'm about to go to this taco place because I'm so hungry and I've just been tired and lazy. When I got on the phone with my boyfriend, I just stopped. Anyways, when I got on the phone with my boyfriend, we were on FaceTime for a few hours and I just got so caught up that I just didn't even like pay attention to the time, and then now it's late and I just genuinely didn't feel like doing anything. I mean, this is a day in my life, and I normally don't do anything all day. Like, I go to work and I come back home. I look very dry, my lips are dry. So I just got back home. This is what my taco is looking like after driving. It looked kind of crazy, but after driving home, I got the smoky chicken taco, and I got chips, and I got queso. I'm about to just eat this and chill for the rest of the night. If I could get this thing open. Hold on. And I'm about to watch Big Brother on my laptop. Snapple. This is a Snapple apple. I guess I'm gonna end the video here. If I don't add anything else to this video, this is the end. Hope you guys enjoyed following me around for the day. I'm gonna end the video here. Thank you guys for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm so hungry.